Hi, I'm Paul Stone of License to Pass. We want to sell you your complete game day set of books for all 3 Florida General Contractor licensure exams. And we want to give you the tools you need to pass them all on the first try. Here's another video with possible exam questions and ways to find the answers in your books. Here's another question. What is the stack height for plywood on properly restrained and braced trusses? Your choices are A, 12 inches, B, 16 inches, C, 20 inches, D, 24 inches, and E, do not stack plywood on properly restrained and braced trusses. So the good news is it's a truss problem. That means here's the book. You can find almost no answers to truss questions except in this book. So I look in the table of contents in the beginning of the book, and I see a major heading called Guide for Handling, Installing, Restraining, and Braces of Trusses. Could be there. I see Construction Loading. Could be there. And those are the only 2 places that it looks like we might want to look. And the first one I said, the handling, installing, and restraining, has a lot of stuff in it. So I'm not going to do that first. I'm going to hope it's in construction loading because that's only one thing. So I turn to page 53 and I open it up. And in construction loading, I'm looking at the page and I see a little exhibit that says maximum stack height for material on trusses. And it says plywood or OSB, 16 inches. There's your answer.